fix can't save to desktop in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix can't save to desktop in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply press Windows and X keys together and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you can just simply go with settings. After opening your settings, you can go with Windows Update. Under Windows Update, here you will have virus and threat protection. If you don't find the option, you can go with search and search for virus and threat protection. Once you've searched for it, just click on it. It will be under your Windows security. After that, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you need to go with manage settings and scroll down again. And here you will have control folder access. So go with manage control folder access. And from here, you need to turn off the option of control folder access. Once you turn this option off, then you can go back and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix can't save to desktop in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.